Okay, we are officially live again. We have all of our twos this time. Maybe. Kyle is got the smoker going. And now he's trying to get the can out. The queen is in the can, yep. As you can see, this is our first time. We really have no idea what we're doing. If you're on, go ahead and say hi. I'd love to know if you're on. You need to open up the can.
I know, I gotta figure out how to do that.
Oh, can opener.
Can opener.
Fisher opener. You can take the card if you want to. So I guess we weren't totally prepared on that either. Totally new to this.
A lot of trial and error right now. Hurry up, son.
Hurry up, buddy. So, yep. Fisher's going to go get us a can opener because apparently we need a can opener, which was what we watched from the video.
But we forgot.
But we forgot. Hey, Tori! Yep, it is honeybee time.
Honeybees.
Owen's there.
Got his suit on.
Yep.
How is it, buddy? You like it?
Yep.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it? They're not attacking us.
Nope. And I'm here totally without a bee suit at all. So, yep. We think Bailey got stung already.
She's nowhere to be found.
Yeah, she went and followed Fisher.
And she's biting
her butt.
And we got the water, the sugar water in already.
Yeah.
We can probably take out one of the frames, maybe two of the frames, just to start sprinkling the bees in it. If there's room to put them in, you know.
We'll see. Well, let's get the queen out first.
Okay. Hey, Jessica.
Does the other package have a queen?
We're waiting on Fisher, like always.
Yep.
I think he should be coming back now.
He should be, yep.
Yep, he should be. So what is everyone doing this morning?
Yeah, it just rained here.
Yeah, it just rained here. We have to put duct tape on the bottom of Fisher's, or on Owen's bee suit, for that the bees don't get up his legs. He has to wear a belt too. That's an adult size large or small. But he will grow into it.
All right, buddy. Can opener.
Can opener. Fisher does not want to have anything to do with the bees. That's why he did not get a suit. I guess I'm just not afraid of the bees. Love the gear. Yeah, these are called bee suits. $400 or $500 later for the two of them to have bee suits.
And some other stuff.
Yeah, we got one thing of honey.
So we got something else.
And gloves. Yeah.
Yeah,
Owen's gloves.
for me.
Gloves for Owen.
We got these started.
Okay.
I don't see it. This is just sugar water in here.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe oh, I see it. There's, you might have to dig in there to get the queen bee. Here, let's do the smoker.
What is it?
It should be in a little box. I don't think Kyle was paying attention at all when we watched the video.
It was, but the queen was supposed to be in the can, wasn't it?
I don't know. I thought so.
I thought it was supposed to be in the
Hey, Melissa. Hey, Melinda.
Oh, you got the little.
It's supposed to be in a box.
Tool?
This thing?
The yellow or orange thing. Yep.
It's supposed to be in a box.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in a box.
With a cork on it.
With a cork on it, yep. Even Fisher was paying attention, the one who wants nothing to do with the bees. There it is.
You got it? Oh, yeah, there it is.
Okay, so apparently we're really mad.
real angry. Okay, we're probably gonna have to dump first, so. Okay. No, I want you to watch out, Bubba.
Okay, now for the fun part. Probably need to take out a thing, babe.
Here's the box.
Take out one of the things.
Box come out?
Yeah, yeah. It's that metal thing.
Okay.
Gotta be careful.
Take a couple. I know he's not even listening to me. Hey Heath. Hey Nick. Hey Julie.
Okay. So we need to take the what out?
We need to take the cork out of it. Oh gosh, they're in my hair. And that you should need a flathead screwdriver.
This piece right here.
Yep. And then you need to stick that in between two of the hives.
To the frame.
To the frames, yeah. Okay, nice bee. Go away.
There we go.
I have multiple bees on my back.
I told him that he wanted to take out one. Doesn't listen at all. Do you like our cage that we have for the bees? And then there should be a thing. Okay, never mind. You can probably leave that out, but you're going to need to leave that out, Kyle.
Am I?
Yes. And the bee thing, you're supposed to be able, there's a metal hook they can hang on the other one that stays up on top for the bees can get to it. You guys laughing? Do you think this is funny? I swear What?
Maybe the second one will go easier.
Yeah, the second one will probably go easier.
I think Bailey stepped on a bee.
You think she stepped on a bee?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bailey. Wow, look at all those bees already.
There's still more bees in here.
Okay, supposed to have a what? This hook?
Yeah, there's like that hook thing that you can hang from the other that hangs in between the two it's starting to rain again. Oh, that's Fisher. Do you think our cage will keep the bees out? We're gonna get wood apparently. Not sure why.
But aren't they supposed to be open?
Place it here.
Yeah, just kind of place it there. Okay. And then you need to shake out the...
Let me put all these,
Okay.
at least some of these. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to shake, so this will be the fun part.
Oh. It's not fun for I gotta get my Fisher, though. binoculars out.
Wow, look at all that.
Oh gosh. Hello, bee.
I'm backing up a little bit because,
A bee.
Ooh, one was in my hair.
Owen's making fun of the bee. Sorry, there's no more room for you.
So there's supposedly about 10,000. This is a 3-pound thing of bees, each one of these, for each hive. And there's about 10,000 bees in each one of those little packages. And we got another one over there. So we're going to do the other one next. So what do you guys think? Anyone wondering why we have bees? It takes 5 years to be able to, and we have to have at least 5 hives to be able to get an agricultural exemption for this. So this is year 1. We're going to start off with 2 hives. Then next year we'll probably get the other 3, depending on how well this learning process goes. All right, everyone. So this was our first one. We're not totally done yet.
Give me a fire going.
So we will come back later. Bye.